If you are seeing a purple ring on your Echo Dot Max and not sure what it means, whether it appears randomly or during setup, here's what it's trying to tell you and how to fix it. Now this usually happens during setup if your Max can't connect to Wi-Fi, stays idle for a long time in that mode, or the setup gets interrupted in some way. And then it may get stuck showing the purple light. Now, if it goes back to the beginning of the setup by itself, you will likely see this connection pop up in the Alexa app. So in that case, just press and hold the mic mute button and volume up buttons for 7 seconds and put your Echo Max back into setup mode and start setting up from scratch. Now, if that doesn't work, just power cycle the device, unplug it, wait around 20 seconds, and then plug it back in. It should automatically enter setup mode once again. Just go ahead, complete the setup, and the purple light should disappear after that. That's all for today. Thanks for your time.